for beer and chicken too. Let your hair hang down and act a fool. Barbecue and drink a few.
Blow it in. Yeah, blow it in. We're going out a ways, yeah. That might, we're going out a ways. That might be rougher out there. Here we are in It'll Do. Heading out, beautiful calm day. You should be back there in a tube.
Oh. No thanks.
We're 68 feet of water right now.
That's all?
That's all. Jump off, go touch back.
That's the one that's at about, you know, roughly 65 feet. And I'll turn the gain up just a little bit and you'll be able to spot the other downriggers. Yeah. One other downrigger right in there. We're on that just below 40 feet. It's at 45. And then the other one we can't see. We're not picking that one up at all. But it's down in here. Right, see, there's bait right there. See that red spot on the bottom? Yep. That's bait fish. That's what they're eating. Them are the alewives.
Don't let go of that pole.
Well, whatever you do, don't let go of that.
Put your left hand right
Even
there.
if you go swimming, just hold that rod up. That way I'll come back for you. If you don't hold that rod up, I ain't coming back.
Let him run.
Here, look at him jumping back there.
Don't reel.
I think he's all in my counter here, Robert. He went underneath. Look at him back there going crazy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. Look at that. Yeah, but I think he's underneath.
Yep.
I don't know yet. I got to find out.
Looks like it's holding on. Let's step over here to the other side, buddy. There you go. Look at him. So, as far as I can see,
Looks
I
like
think
it's
no.
all
biggest
green.
fish.
It looks underneath the line, way out of the water. See how far that line's out of the water? I get cool. Yeah, reel, buddy.
Reel. Fast.
Reel like crazy.
There he's going. Let him run.
Woo, you got a big one on, buddy.
I got this all on video, dear. I'm giving the camera.
You got your hands
He
full
might
here.
need. He might need a hand.
Yeah. There he is. He's right on the surface too, boy.
Back there?
Oh yeah, he's all crazy back there. He don't even know which way he wants to go.
You see him out there, Cody?
See?
He's up.
Oh
Oh
my.
my goodness.
My oh gosh, where are you going, fish?
Don't go that way.
Ah. He's gonna try
As
to
they
give
speed
us.
us up, then we can get come back from behind us.
Yeah, let's go and let him help you out with the rod though, and you bring this inside one in. We're gonna need to clear that board and send it over to the other side. I need to slide up here and give me some speed.
Grandpa can probably handle it. He can't go on an alligator, right?
Just keep reeling like crazy, buddy.
Keep going.
Behind them,
Just reel like crazy.
Right behind them back
I'm
there.
with you. I'm with you.
See?
Yep.
He's going into them.
Real faster. Real faster.
Buddy, real faster.
Are you tired yet? Keep going.
Oh, he's right there at it, Jim.
I know. He's fine. He's fine right now. Keep reeling. Just keep reeling. Robert, grab the. Okay, he's straight now. There you go. He's going the right way. He's going
Keep
where
going.
he's
Keep
supposed to go
reeling.
now.
Keep reeling.
Just keep reeling. Keep reeling. Just keep reeling. All right.
What if it's not a fish? What if it's not?
Keep reeling. Reel like crazy. You just move that rod over to the other side. Right?
Move to the other side?
Yeah. You probably put a board from the other side on there. Keep reeling. Reel like crazy now. Reel, reel, reel. Just keep reeling.
Go faster.
Reel like crazy. Just keep
I got
reeling.
a bit.
Reel, reel,
Want me to do
reel. All right, I got you by.
You're good.
All right, you're
Keep
good.
reeling. Keep reeling though.
Yeah, keep reeling. All right, we're by him, Robert. Everything's clear over here. We're all clear on this side.
I got
Big mark at 70. Watch that corner rigger.
He's coming, buddy. He's coming.
I see him out there.
You all right?
You see it coming in? That's how far you gotta go.
You haven't got.
He's coming.
He's coming. He ain't far out now. You can handle that.
Yeah, we're in good shape now, Well.
I just see the. I just see the.
All right, I got that. Remember you would.
Coming. Got the net ready. Hold on.
Hold it.
I got the pole. Don't worry about the pole. Man with the net. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, that's a good one.
Cooperate with us.
Keep reeling, keep reeling,
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reel, 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 reel.
Beauty.
All right, nice job. There's your big old king.
Oh,
There you go.
How about that?
That's what we came for.
That was good work, buddy. You tired? Stay there. Look at your fish.
He came right out.
Hey. Nice.
Oh, he's all the way out of it.
Yeah, he's out.
Purdy, purdy. Does that work?
that didn't take that long for a pretty big fish.
Oh, you ran right. Woo.
There's one racing up, Robert.
What's that? I didn't hear you, Jim.
One's racing up.
On that rigger?
Yeah, he actually came from that rigger. He's actually ready to bring it up a little bit now.
How far? 75?
Keep going. Right in there. He's running all over down there. He don't know what. We got him all worked up down there.
That won't be bad.
Look at all the shiny things. Hold it tight, reel it in.
That's a long ways out there, buddy. How many feet is he out? 600? He's got a long ways to go.
He's left-handed.
Is he? No, that'll be fine.
He's left-handed?
Yeah.
He can spin that rod right around, too.
But it
Spin it upside down and bend go back.
The middle might have just hit.
Way out there.
You see a way out there, buddy?
Yeah, yeah.
Now also, if you get tired, you can spin that around and use that hand to reel too. Okay? Just let you know. You're going to be reeling for a while. Waiting for this fish to jump. I figured it's on that green chartreuse. I gotta jive with therapy. I gotta give therapy a little bit of theirs.
You got what?
I gotta give them some therapy.
Therapy?
Yeah. Oh. So you wanna hang on to that for me? All right. We're giving therapy some therapy right now. See, I want to see him do it. I want to see him turn it on back. That center at right now, Robert?
100 even.
Checkers.
Pick them up.
Keep reeling. Don't stop. Keep.
Cottonwood right up the tip.
Reel. Stop.
You're gonna have to get a little bit of, hang on, hold on, let him get a little of that cottonwood out of there. Easy, don't pull that fish off. Grab the other end of that. There you go, now you're talking. All right, there you go.
There you go. Go ahead and reel.
Hey, little guy, right up on the surface. There he is.
Oh, he's still way out there.
I got it. Thank you.
You see him, Brady?
Hey, Brady.
Yeah?
You're not going to be able to feed the family with yours, but he'll eat real good for yourself. Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
Well, it ain't in yet.
He has sharp teeth though.
Oh yeah, he's a good eater. He's got a good eater right here. All right, you got him. All right, stop reeling. Yep.
Yep, stop reeling.
Let's hurry up, get that one in before he falls through the holes, Robert. All right, nice job.
Good job.
Those fish
Here's your fish. I'll take the neck. You hold that just for a second. You hold that rod just for a second. Just grab one. That's
There for a split second, I thought you had a Atlantic, but
so did I at first when I first seen that. When I took the hook down.
Yeah, almost.
He's got the
but he's
spots.
not- Yep,
He's
you don't
not.
have the X's. Thought you had an Atlantic set. Thought you had a real special fish there,
Yeah.
but.
Hold her tight. Hold her tight. Reel her in.
Keep dumping it. Just let it go. Let it go. No, Jay's underneath too. Jay's in front of it now. He's coming right by your other one.
I got a boat dumping.
Yeah, he's in front of him. Don't stop him. Don't stop him. Unless you have to.
Go away.
Yep, try to reel. Try to reel. Try to reel. Somebody help hold this rod up for him. Help him.
Go ahead, Graham.
Wait until we get caught up. Yep. Just hold that rod for him. Yep. Fish is doing the same thing. He's going right to the side. So, let me get him out. All right, Robert, here, clear this. I'll slow us down a little
Come here.
bit.
Cody, come here.
You can hold that tip of your pole up. Bring your tip of your pole up. Put the butt down here in your belly.
Yeah, he's gonna just let him keep reeling, Robert. He was reeling just fine. Leave him alone.
Yeah, don't give the pole.
I want to just keep bringing that fish this way. All right, yeah, there you go. That looks good. That looks comfortable. There you go. Yep, stay with him.
You might catch it this time.
Huh?
Yeah.
I called it first.
Hold on.
He's coming good. So. Yep.
Finally decided to take that bait, huh?
Took him a while.
My goodness, it took me forever.
Finally decided to eat it. This is right here, Robert. His fish is right here. Just
Oh,
so you
yeah.
know.
Take it to the net.
So,
And there's a line out right there.
keep real, real.
Keep reeling.
Oh, beauty fish, buddy. Get her in there. Reel, reel.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Give me that rod. Give me the rod. Oh, somebody just got rod. Okay, go ahead and reel. Reel. Is that reel? Okay, Robert, you ready? Barely hooked. All right, you got him. Nice.
Sweet.
You got him, buddy.
I think he just
And
passed
he came
Cody.
off too. He was barely
He's off. He's not
barely
even,
hooked.
Not
Nice
even
job.
hooked.
Now you're even.
Nice fish. Take him, buddy. Grab it like you got a pair.
Make your brother sound off for you. There you go. Turn him sideways a little bit. There you go. Perfect.
I'm trying to watch everybody else.
Yeah, I got that rod over
There we go.
Robert.
Bring him up.
All right. First thing you need to do is bring that inside chopper into where we got
There you
some
go.
line back in.
Mine now.
Slide up here so I can see. Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm just gonna get down here.
Where is it?
I think he's got a big lake trout on here, Robert. Let me know if that fish decides to start running at us, all right? He's staying down right now.
I'll stand right here.
Just talk to me.
Cody Gala.
Yeah, there he is, right there. Big old trout.
Give me neutral for a minute.
Yeah, I'm in neutral. Big old trout.
Lift up on him. Lift up on the pole.
Easy, easy.
Easy. Let him back a little bit. Let him back a little bit.
All right, now go ahead and bring him.
I'll bring him back up. Oh, he's trying to sit.
Look at all the bait fish. Look at all the bait fish just coming out of his mouth floating back there.
There's your Wonder Bread.
There's that Wonder Bread. There's more bait fish.
Hey!
Oh, stop it.
Cody, move back.
Hold up a little higher, Dad.
I can't get all
Hold
of
it
it.
closer.
I can't get all of it. Stop.
Turn on this 97 feet. We've had 3 more bites of tough.
Took 3.
Big king.
I took 3. I take a picture of this belly.
Too bad it's a smaller one, though. Yeah, but this is a trout.
It looks
Yeah, I've never seen a trout before. Yeah, they're supposed to be.
You got good pictures?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Let him finish up.
Okay. Over here.
Yep, fish on right there. Bye, guys.
Cody, take it. Cody, take it.
I'll take it.
You hold that just like
Take
that
it.
for me.
Brady, take it.
Don't move the net.
I'll take them.
I think we're on bottom there. I don't know how.
It's only 77 foot down, Jim.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, are we? Okay.
I got the hook on, Jack.
Don't let him fall over.
Alright.
I'm gonna get switch
Yeah, that rowboat think I'm coming for him.
Nice. Open it up, buddy.
Grandpa, can I see? Yeah, he's not as big.
Oh man, you made mine look small now.
wet. And the waves are hitting them.
Oh, no, it'll be wet.
I got wet before up there, but
Did you?
it wasn't too I got wet.
There's your grandma. That's funny.
Makes it look kind of easy.
Yeah, it's his first time at that too, I think.
He's not alive anymore. Oh, remember when we had that little tiny fish? And then he was still alive with his head cut off?
Yep,
With his head cut off?
Yep, that's fine.
This was Dad's.
That's
That's mine, right?
This is the trout here.
Oh.
It's
That's it.
either Dad's or Grandpa's, one of the two.
it's Grandpa's.
This is Grandpa's right here. This is the dark
Yep.
one. Redfin.
Mine's black.
What's that?
Maybe.
Yeah, yours is black.
Yeah, I've been seeing it.
How you doing? Not bad.
Well, the big one. I'll definitely know what mine is.
We're not going to say that true. We'll just say let you hold it.
I'm gonna hear his bones. Those go in the bone. Oh, it's really.
Right eye.
There's my big
There's
dog.
Brady's.
Oh, really?
That's Brady's.
That's not.
This is like
Yep,
the,
that's yours, Toad. Boy, he was eating. Look at that, boy. He ate.
Oh, I guess.
Whoa.
Oh, I tell you, look at him.
There's a Magnum. Now these are gonna have. That's gonna have spawn in it. These are the big spawners right now. If I can get it cut, there's spawn in there.
I'm gonna put all the trout in one bag and the salmon all in one bag for
Okay.
guys. That way they're separated.
What's that? Which one?
Grandpa's might be the biggest. Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm looking at you.
You
got one you don't know about?
Not that I know of.
You see those
Boy, I'll
red
tell you, that looks like
That's my little one.
that looks like an
Go
Atlantic.
around this
They got it.
building,
When I
you'll
first
get
seen it,
to the
dude.
drawbridge.
Looks like an Atlantic.
Here's your Daddy.
Dude, when I first seen it back then, yeah, it's
So shiny.
dots were just really,
Wait, is that a camera?
That's yours right there. That's your other one.
once I really see it.
Yeah.
So that's
They're like half actually.
Yeah, it's
though.
a baby
It's
camera.
like he's a half breed. I really swear he's half.
Is he a king?
Alright,
King.
you think we're worthy of cleaning this big
Here we
one?
go.
Here we go. This is like the bass shows where they save that one till last.
Oh,
Yeah, mine
The littlest kid caught it. 22 pounds.
That little guy right there.
He had a heat me. Right?
I bet he was eating too.
That's a slab of meat, buddy.
There's your slab of meat.
Can't fit in that thing. Oh. He had to go to the bathroom.
That's what made him weigh so much.
What's that?
He had to go to the bathroom, he said.
His bladder exploded
Grandpa would
before
have
he
caught us a
could.
lot sooner if he would have went.